Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
We are
What
fine,
about you?
Miss. How about you, Miss?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very well. Thank you for asking me. Before we start to study, let's pray together. Who is the chairman in this class?
Me, Miss.
Oh, Hafiza. Okay, Hafiza, please let us to pray.
Okay, Miss. Pray start. Pray finish.
Thank you, Hafiza. Now, I will take your attendance first by taking your picture in the Zoom meeting. So, please let your camera on because I will take your picture now. Okay, be ready. 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay, last week we have learned about thanking, right? So today I would like to remind you again about our material last week. So do you still remember what the meaning of thanking?
Can I, Miss?
Okay, Hafizah.
In my opinion, thanking is expression that people use to someone that they are grateful for something that they have done, Miss.
Okay, very good, Fiza. So, thanking is expression that people use to someone that they are grateful for something that they have done to someone. Okay, that's very good. And then, my question is, what the expression of thanking?
May Can I I try, Miss? Miss?
Okay, freelance.
The expression of thanking is thank you so much, Miss.
Okay, nice. So the expression of thanking, there are thank you so much, and also thanks a lot, and many more, right? And then my question is, what the expression to respond thanking? Who can answer?
Can I, Miss?
Okay, Elisa.
You are welcome. Don't mention it. No problem, Miss.
That's very good, Elisa. So the expression to respond thanking, there are no problem, you're welcome, etc. Okay, I think you have understand well our material last week. So today we are going to learn new topic. But before that, I want to ask you that relate to our topic. Have you ever made a mistake to someone, to your parents or your friends maybe? Have you?
Yes, of course, Miss. I have.
Okay, freelance. Um, do you feel regret after that freelance?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, and what did you say?
I'm just saying sorry, Miss.
Okay, say sorry. Good. So students, what freelance say is related to our topic today. So who knows our topic today?
Apologizing, Miss.
Oh, apologizing. That's good, Fiza. So our topic today is about apologizing. Okay, let me share my PPT. Can you see my PPT, students?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So our topic today is about apologizing. And the basic competence atau kompetensi dasar dari topik kita hari ini yaitu memahami fungsi sosial struktur teks, dan unsur kebahasaan pada ungkapan sapaan, pamitan, ucapan terima kasih, dan permintaan maaf, serta responnya sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. And then, the learning objective of our topic today, there are the first one, peserta didik mampu mengidentifikasi fungsi sosial, ekspresi, serta respon yang menunjukkan tindakan meminta maaf sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Yang kedua, peserta didik mampu menerapkan ekspresi yang menunjukkan tindakan meminta maaf serta responnya sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. Dan yang terakhir, peserta didik mampu membuat dialog sederhana berdasarkan situasi yang telah diberikan oleh guru sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya. So, students, that's all about our basic competence and our learning objective of topic apologizing. So, let's move to the next activity. Okay. This is a video that relates to our topic today. So, please watch the video carefully. And after that, I hope you have prepared one question and ask to me in the Zoom meeting. So, let's start to watch. Can you hear the sound of the video, students?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's start again.
Excuse me, Miss.
Yes.
I can hear your voice, Miss.
Oh, okay. Wait.
Bicycle to be able to come.
How about now?
You are
I can, Miss.
always late with the same.
Can you hear the voice of the video?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay. I will start again.
I'm sorry, teacher. I'm late again.
Oh, Sama, what's your excuse for being late today again?
Oh, I woke up late and I missed the bus and I had to borrow my brother's bicycle to be able to come.
You are always late with the same excuses. I can't accept this anymore.
I promise, teacher, this is gonna be the last time.
Ugh. Okay, I will forgive you again. Go to your seat.
Yes.
Okay, you have watched the video. You have watched the video, right? So like I said before, I hope you have prepared one question and ask to me in the Zoom meeting. So, does anyone to ask?
I I have question, Miss.
Okay, Elisa, please.
Apakah pada apologizing ini ada fungsi sosialnya, Miss?
Okay, good question, Elisa. Yes, of course. Like our material last week, it is about thanking. There is the social function. In this apologizing, there is also the social function. But I want you find out by yourself the more explanation. So, what the social function of apologizing? Who can answer?
Can I use?
Okay, Pizza.
Oke, Miss. I think untuk mengatakan permintaan maaf atas kesalahan yang kita perbuat pada seseorang, Miss.
Okay, that's good. So, the social function of apologizing is to say sorry to someone that we have make something wrong or mistake to her or him. That's good. Okay, next question. Next question, students. Who want to ask?
Miss.
Okay, who is speaking?
Miss.
Who is that? Sorry, I can't hear your voice clearly.
Miss.
Okay, Ima, please.
Dari video tadi, apakah I'm sorry teacher, ekspresi yang menunjukkan ungkapan permintaan maaf, dan okay, I will forgive you again, merupakan ekspresi untuk menanggapi ungkapan permintaan maaf, Miss?
Wow, that's good questions. Okay, who can answer the Ima questions?
Can I try, Miss?
Okay, freelance, please.
I think yes, Miss. I'm sorry, teacher, and okay, I will forgive you again are the expression of apologizing and it respond, Miss.
That's right. Based on the video, the expression "I'm sorry, teacher" is expression that shows expression of apologizing, and the expression "I will forgive you again" that shows expression to respond apologizing. That's good. Next, let's move to the next activity. As you can see, this is a conversation that there is in the video that we have watched. So I will read this conversation first, and I want you to repeat after me. Okay? Okay, let's start now. The situation is Osama came late to the classroom. I'm sorry, teacher. I'm late again. Please repeat after me, students.
I'm sorry, teacher. I'm late again.
Osama, what's your excuse for being late today again?
Oh, Sama, what's your
Mama,
excuse?
what's your excuse for being late today again?
I woke up late and missed the bus, and I had to borrow my brother's bicycle to be able to come.
I woke up late and missed the bus, and I had to borrow my brother's bicycle to be able to come.
You are always with the same excuses. I can't accept this anymore.
You are always with the same excuses. I can't accept this anymore.
I promise, teacher, this is going to be the last time.
I promise, teacher, this is going to be the last time.
Okay, I will forgive you again. Go to your seat.
Okay, I will forgive you again. Go to your seat.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, students. As you can see, I have made the word I'm sorry with red color, and I will forgive you with the same color that is red, right? So this is the expression that show expression of apologizing. I'm sorry, and the response of apologizing. I will forgive you. Okay, I hope you understand what I explained. And let's move to the next activity. This is exercise 1. In this exercise, there are two conversation. This is exercise 1. This is conversation 1. And this is the questions. This is conversation 2, and this is the questions. So students, in this exercise, I want you to read the I want you to read the conversation first, and then please answer the questions, and after that we will discuss in this meeting. I will give you 2 minutes to do it. Start from now. Have you finished, student?
Yes, Miss.
Yes,
Okay,
Miss.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, Now, for conversation 1, please read the conversation first, and after that, you can answer the question. So, who want to read the conversation 1?
Try, Miss.
I try, Miss.
Okay, freelance and Hafizah, right? So
Yes, Miss.
Stella as freelance and mother as Iza. Please.
Okay, Miss. I'm sorry, Mom. I dropped a glass on the floor and it broke.
Were you hurt?
No, but I'm really sorry.
I'm glad that you aren't hurt. But why did you drop it? Haven't I taught you not to handle glassware?
I couldn't help it. The glass was too slippery.
It's okay, but you've got to be careful next time.
Okay,
Done,
Done,
Miss.
Miss.
Okay, thank you, Visa and freelance. Next, let's answer the questions. There are 3 questions in this conversation. So, who want to answer these questions? Hello, students, who want to answer these questions? As you can see, there are 3 questions in this conversation.
Can I, Miss?
Okay, Visa.
My answer number A is, I'm sorry, Mom. I dropped a glass on the floor and it broke. Next, Miss.
Sorry, Visa. Please read the question first.
Oh, okay, Miss. What did Stella say to her mother after making a mistake? My answer is, I'm sorry, Mom. I dropped a glass on the floor and it broke. Next, Miss.
Yes, next.
B. What was her mother's response? The response is, it's okay, but you've got to be careful next time. And C. What is the social function of the conversation? My answer is to tell someone that you are sorry for having done something that has caused her or him inconvenience or unhappiness, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Visa, for your answer. Um, Do you agree with Fiza answer, students? Or do you have a different answer with Fiza? Do you agree with Fiza answer?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, your answer is correct. That's good. Next, let's move to the next conversation. This is conversation 2. So who want to read this conversation?
Can I try, Miss?
Sorry, who is speaking?
Armelia, Miss.
Okay, Meli, please, who will be your partner?
May.
Ima? Hello, students. Who will be the partner of Meli?
Can I, Miss?
Okay, Elisa, right?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please, Meli and Lisa, read this conversation.
Okay, I am as Paul and Elisa as Nelly.
Okay,
Can start, Miss?
okay, please, Meli and Elisa.
Newly, I apologize. Are you okay?
I think so. That's
I'm
lucky.
really sorry. I do not see you.
It's okay. I shouldn't have run.
Still, it was my fault. I'm sorry.
I'm fine. Don't worry about
Then Miss.
Okay, thank you, Meli and Elisa. Now let's answer the question of conversation 2. There are 3 questions. So who want to answer the questions?
May I try, Miss?
Okay, Ima.
The question. What did Paul say to Nolly about his mistake? Nolly, I apologize. B. His response. My answer is don't worry about that. And question number 3. What is the social function of the conversation? My answer is tell someone that you are sorry for having done something has caused her or him something.
Okay. Thank you, Ima. Do you have some question? Sorry, do you have some answer with Ima?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Your answer is correct. So now let's move to the next exercise. This is exercise 2. In this exercise, there are 2 conversation, like the conversation 1, like the exercise 1. This is conversation 1 and this is conversation 2. In this exercise, please complete the conversation that is not complete yet, right? So I will give you 2 minutes to do it in your worksheet. And after that, we will discuss the answer in this meeting. Okay, you can start from now. Have you finished, student?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Now,
Yes.
let's answer this conversation by complete the conversation that is not complete yet. So, who want to complete the conversation one?
Can I, Miss?
Okay, Hafizah, please.
Okay, Miss. Mila, I apologize I broke your face. No problem. That's very nice of you. But let me pay for the match. Never mind. Oh, thank you. Then, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Hafizah. Do you agree with Fiza answer, student?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, that's good. Your answer is correct. So, in this Mila part, the answer is I apologize, right? And the Jenny's part, the answer is never mind. That shows the expression to respond apologizing. Okay, that's good. Now let's continue the next exercise. This is conversation 2. So who want to answer this conversation?
Can I try, Miss?
Okay, freelance, go ahead.
Andy. I'm sorry, sir. I'm late to class. Mr. John. It's okay this time. Please be on time in the future. Andy. Yes, sir, I will. Don't
Okay.
miss.
Okay, thank you, freelance. Do you agree with freelance answer?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, nice. Your answer is correct. So, Andy part, the answer is I'm sorry, sir. That shows the expression of apologizing. And Mr. John say, no, the Mr. John say, oh, it's okay this time. That show the expression to respond apologizing. Okay. After we did our activity, I want to ask your opinion. How do you feel after we did our activity today?
Happy, Miss, because our activity is fun.
Okay. What about others?
Me too, Miss. Because our activity is interesting.
Okay, thank you, students. Now, let's conclude our. Now, I will ask you again to remind you about our material today. So, what the social function of apologizing? Who can answer?
May I try, Miss?
Okay, freelance.
I think the social function is to tell sorry to someone for the mistake that we have made to his or her, Miss.
Okay, that's very good. And my question is, what the expression of apologizing?
Seperti mengatakan I'm sorry, I apologize, dan lain-lain, Miss.
Okay, very good. And next, what the expression to respond apologizing?
Seperti never mind, is okay, dan lain-lain, Miss.
Okay, very good, Fiza. So now we can conclude about our material today. Let's conclude. As you can see, this is conclusion of our material today. This is the social function. The social function is to tell someone that you're sorry for having done something that have caused her or him inconvenience or unhappiness. And there are the expressions, there are apologizing and the responses. I will read the expressions first, one by one, and I want you to repeat after me. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, let's start. First, start from the expression of apologizing. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry for.
I'm
I'm
sorry.
sorry for.
Please forgive me.
Please
Please
forgive me.
Forgive me.
I apologize.
I apologize.
Apologize.
I'm sorry that.
I'm sorry
I'm
that
sorry that.
It's okay.
it's okay.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
It
It
doesn't
doesn't
Matter.
I forgive you.
I
I
forgive
forgive
you.
You.
Don't let it happen again.
Don't let it
Don't let it happen again.
Don't mention it.
mention it.
Don't mention it.
Okay, thank you, students. Any questions so far?
No, miss.
Okay. To make you more understand about our material today, I will give you homework. This is the homework. As you can see, this is the situation of your homework. So please make a short dialogue about apologizing that based on the situation. The situation is William and Oliver are close friends. William didn't come to Oliver's party yesterday because he forgot about it. When he met Oliver, he apologized to her for not coming to her birthday party. So students, please make a short dialogue, just short dialogue, and please send to my email. I will send my email to our WhatsApp group later. I will give you 1 week to do the homework. So please make your homework well because I will give you a long time, right? So please make your homework well. So is it clear?
Yes, miss. Clear, miss.
Okay, that's good. And for next meeting, we are going to learn about introducing self and others. So please prepare yourself by reading the material that I will send to you in our WhatsApp group later. So so far, any question?
No, miss.
Okay. If there is no questions, I think that's all for today. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, miss. Thank you, miss.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Miss.